The first and most important aspect of fuel quality is our customer performance expectations, and we take a lot of pride in ensuring that all those performance characteristics that they need is what they get when they purchase UFA fuel. With today's equipment being so valuable and such a big expense to an ag producer, an on-road trucking company, not only do we meet the expectations, performance requirements of the new equipment, but we vastly exceed it. The Canadian General Standards Board sets parameters and criteria for commercially available fuel in Canada. We follow that to a T. There are about 6 main components that will help us understand the total quality parameter that we take a look at on a constant basis. Density is measurement of a fuel's weight. We then relate that to BTUs per liter, and that will give us a rough idea of how well that fuel will perform in terms of power and fuel economy. The cetane rating of a fuel is a measurement of the fuel's combustibility. The standard in Canada for cetane is 40. UFA fuel typically comes in at 42 to 45 cetane. Cloud point is very important in Alberta's climate. The cloud point of the diesel fuel really is the measurement of when the wax particles start precipitating out of the fuel. So we monitor that quite closely to ensure that the fuel that's used in the wintertime is going to meet those cold weather performance characteristics. Moisture, there will always be a little bit in most fuel products. The standard for Canada is 500 parts per million. At UFA, if we see anything between 150 and 200 parts per million, we are starting to take a look at why is that happening and ensuring that there is no moisture of any substantial amount in our fuels. Sediment is another key factor. With sediment can destroy an injector tip quite easily in a diesel engine. So we do not like to see it get above 10 milligrams per liter. Lubricity of the fuel is a measurement of its ability to lubricate the entire fuel system, in particular the fuel injectors and the fuel pumps. The Canadian General Standards Board have set a very low amount of wear scar in their lubricity test. Fuel that we provide our customers always meets that requirement, and in fact, in most cases, we beat it by a good percentage. At UFA, we monitor for these 6 fuel standards on a constant basis to ensure that it's going to perform well in our customers' equipment. UFA, over the last few years, has really tightened up its standard in fuel quality control, and that's great assurance for our customers. Our agents are also key to the whole quality assurance program. The fluctuation of densities between winter seasonal blends and summer seasonal blends is very minimal. In all the recent testing that UFA has done, we have found that there's only about a 1.5% maximum difference. That used to be much different years ago. That's good news, because now our customers really don't have to be as concerned about using a winter blend in spring and summer months. The best time to buy is what is appropriate for the customer. The way in which you can really evaluate fuel quality is knowing that the products that UFA supplies all meet the equipment manufacturer's specifications. In most cases, not only do we meet the expectations, performance requirements of the new equipment, but we vastly exceed it.